Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Outsidus in Webull, a popular investment platform that allows users to trade stocks, options, and other financial instruments. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of using Outsidus in Webull, providing you with the knowledge and skills you need to get started. First, you need to understand what Outsidus means in the context of Webull. Outsidus refers to the ability to trade stocks and other financial instruments that are listed on exchanges outside of the United States. This feature allows you to diversify your portfolio and take advantage of investment opportunities in other countries. To use Outsidus in Webull, you need to have a Webull account with a verified identity and a funded account. Once you have met these requirements, you can start exploring the Outsidus feature. To do this, log into your Webull account and navigate to the Trade section. Click on the Outsidus tab, and you will be taken to a page that lists all the available international exchanges. From here, you can browse through the different exchanges and select the one you want to trade on. Webull currently supports several international exchanges, including those in Canada, China, and the United Kingdom. Once you have selected an exchange, you can browse through the list of available stocks and other financial instruments. To place a trade, simply click on the Buy or Sell button next to the stock you want to trade. You will then be taken to a page where you can enter your trade details, including the number of shares you want to buy or sell and the price at which you want to trade. One of the key concepts to understand when using Outsidus in Webull is the concept of market hours. Different exchanges have different market hours, and you need to make sure you are trading during the correct hours. Webull provides a handy market hours tool that allows you to see the current market hours for each exchange. Another important concept to understand is the concept of currency exchange. When you trade on an international exchange, you may need to exchange your currency for the local currency. Webull provides a currency exchange tool that allows you to do this easily and efficiently. In terms of best practices, it is always a good idea to do your research before making a trade. This includes researching the company you want to trade, as well as the exchange and the market conditions. You should also make sure you understand the fees and commissions associated with trading on an international exchange. In conclusion, using Outsidus in Webull is a relatively straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and skills. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start trading on international exchanges and taking advantage of the investment opportunities they offer. Remember to always do your research and understand the risks and fees associated with trading on an international exchange.